Hello everyone, in this video you will learn about some common phrasal verbs related to food and cooking along with their meanings and examples. Grill up. Meaning, to cook something on a grill or barbecue. Example, he grilled up some burgers for the family picnic. Squeeze out. Meaning, to extract liquid from something by pressing. Example, he squeezed out the juice from the orange. Sift through. Meaning, to extract liquid from something by pressing. Example, he squeezed out the juice from the orange. Drain off. Meaning, to remove excess liquid by pouring it off. Example, after boiling, she drained off the excess water from the pasta. Mix up. Meaning, to blend different ingredients together. Example, he mixed up the flour, eggs, and milk to make the batter. Chop up. Meaning, to cut something into small pieces. Example, she chopped up the vegetables for the salad. Boil down. Meaning, to reduce a liquid by boiling, often to thicken it. Example, he boiled down the sauce until it reached the desired consistency. Stir in. Meaning, to mix an ingredient into a dish by stirring. Example, she stirred in the sugar until it dissolved. Simmer down. Meaning, to reduce the heat after boiling, often to let flavors meld. Example, let the soup simmer down before serving. Slice off. Meaning, to cut a thin piece off the edge or surface. Example, he sliced off a piece of the cake for himself. Fry up. Meaning, to cook something in hot oil. Example, he fried up some bacon and eggs for breakfast. Beat up. Meaning, to whip or stir vigorously. Example, she beat up the eggs before pouring them into the pan. Whisk together. Meaning, to mix vigorously, usually with a whisk. Example, whisk together the eggs and milk for the omelette. Blend in. Meaning, to mix or combine well with other ingredients. Example, make sure the spices blend in nicely with the sauce. Bake off. Meaning, to cook in an oven, often until it's crispy or golden brown. Example, she baked off the cookies until they were golden around the edges. Subscribe us for more videos English class time.